Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix message blocked in Gmail. So in order to fix your issue, first of all launch settings on your mobile device. Now scroll down below and tap open general. Now go to iPhone storage. Now scroll down below through your applications on your device. Then find for Gmail app over here. Now once you tap open the Gmail application, tap on Offload App. Now tap on Offload App again. Now let's wait for some time, and by doing this step you will be able to clear cache from the application. Now tap on Reinstall App. So this is one of the easiest ways through which you can fix message blocked in your Gmail account. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.